Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Room.
We are very happy you are here today.
Today, we will practice easy English in Fukuoka, Japan.
Fukuoka? That sounds lively and delicious.
Yes, Fukuoka is famous for food, friendly people, history, sea views, and city life.
I want to learn useful travel English today.
Please listen slowly and read the subtitles.
You can also repeat after us.
Do not worry if you do not understand everything.
Just relax, enjoy the trip, and learn little by little.
Today, our topic is a fun day in Fukuoka.
Let's begin.
Hi, Paul. Welcome to Fukuoka.
Thanks, Emily. Hakata Station is big and busy.
Yes, Hakata Station is one of the main gateways to Kyushu.
I can feel the energy of the city.
That is a useful sentence. I can feel the energy of the city.
I can feel the energy of the city.
Energy means a lively and active feeling.
Fukuoka feels warm and friendly.
Nice. Friendly is a very useful word.
I am ready to explore Fukuoka.
Great phrase. I am ready to explore Fukuoka.
Emily, how can we get around Fukuoka?
We can use the subway, buses, or taxis.
How can I ask which train to take?
You can say, which train should I take?
Which train should I take?
Perfect. You can use this in many cities.
How long does it take to get there?
Excellent. That is very useful for travel.
Is it far from here?
Good. Short questions are helpful when traveling.
Fukuoka looks easy to travel around.
Yes, it is a very convenient city. Now, let's visit Dazaifu Tenmangu.
It looks peaceful and beautiful.
Dazaifu Tenmangu is a famous shrine in Fukuoka.
What is it famous for?
Many people visit here to pray for learning and success.
That is perfect for English learners.
You can say, I want to improve my English.
I want to improve my English.
Improve means to get better.
I want to improve my English, little by little.
That is a wonderful goal.
This shrine makes me feel motivated. Emily, I am getting hungry.
Then, we should try Hakata Ramen.
Hakata Ramen sounds famous.
Yes, it is known for rich tonkatsu soup and thin noodles.
How can I order ramen politely?
You can say, I'd like Hakata Ramen, please.
I'd like Hakata Ramen, please.
Good. It is simple and polite.
This soup smells rich.
Rich means strong, deep, and full of flavor.
The noodles are thin and tasty.
Great sentence.
This ramen makes me very happy.
I can see that. At night, Fukuoka has a special experience.
What is it?
Yatai. They are small outdoor food stalls.
They look fun and friendly.
Yes, yatai are famous in Fukuoka.
How can I ask what they serve?
You can ask, what do you serve here?
What do you serve here?
You can also ask, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
That is a perfect food phrase.
I want to try something local.
Great phrase.
Fukuoka nights feel warm and exciting.
Next, let's visit Fukuoka Tower and Momochi Beach.
The sea view is beautiful.
Fukuoka has both city views and sea views.
How can I describe this view?
You can say, the view is refreshing.
The view is refreshing.
Refreshing means it makes you feel new and comfortable.
The view is refreshing.
You can also say, I love the ocean breeze.
I love the ocean breeze.
That sounds natural.
This place feels relaxing.
Fukuoka also has beautiful nature nearby.
Where should we go?
Let's go to Itoshima.
Wow, the ocean is amazing.
Itoshima is famous for beaches, cafes, and beautiful coastal views.
This scenery is breathtaking.
Excellent phrase. This scenery is breathtaking.
This scenery is breathtaking.
Breathtaking means very beautiful and surprising.
I want to take a picture here.
Good travel sentence.
Fukuoka has more nature than I expected.
Now, let's review today's useful expressions.
Okay, let's review.
Number 1. I am ready to explore Fukuoka.
I am ready to explore Fukuoka.
Number 2. Which train should I take?
Which train should I take?
Number 3. I want to improve my English.
I want to improve my English.
Number 4. I'd like Hakata Ramen, please.
I'd like Hakata Ramen, please.
Number 5. What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Number 6. This scenery is breathtaking.
This scenery is breathtaking.
Now, let's practice shadowing.
Please repeat after us.
I am ready to explore Fukuoka.
I am ready to explore Fukuoka.
Which train should I take?
Which train should I take?
I want to improve my English.
I want to improve my English.
I'd like Hakata Ramen, please.
I'd like Hakata Ramen, please.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
This scenery is breathtaking.
This scenery is breathtaking.
Great job. Your English is getting better.
Little by little, we can improve.
Today, we visited Fukuoka and practiced easy English.
We went to Hakata, Dazaifu, Fukuoka Tower, Itoshima, and Yatai food stalls.
Fukuoka was lively, friendly, delicious, and beautiful.
I really enjoyed the ramen, the ocean view, and the warm city lights.
Please listen again and repeat the phrases.
Practice little by little every day.
What place should we visit next?
Kyoto, Kobe, Okinawa, Nagasaki, or another place?
Please tell us in the comments.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time.